Afternoon all. Crafty Cockney here. How are we doing this morning or this afternoon? Right, I'm just starting in the flattening process of the Union Jack. Giving all my planes a good sharpen up, and I'm just gradually going across the full face from the middle and picking up every high spot I can. I haven't got my blade set out too far. I don't want to tear the face off of it, so I'm just going across that. Not putting too much effort in. Just going across, letting the plane find the high spots, which I'm hoping there's not too many as I run it all through the thickness of the planer. But this is old timber which has been lying around for some time now, and I never thought I'd get this use, but here it is. But I'm sure it'll come up well. What is good about this morning is my stains come. So I've used this company called Protec. Check the reviews. I normally used to use Saddlings, but they didn't have the colours I wanted. So I've tried this company. So I've got a fire engine red, obviously for the St George's Cross. I've got the wash white. I'm not sure how that's going to come out, but it's a translucent white, so hopefully that will cover the part of the St Andrews secataire, or the St Andrews flag, and the elements of the Welsh and the Northern Ireland flag, which collaborated together all make up the Union Jack. So I want to hurry up because I want to try and put these on and see how good I can get this, if I can get it that way. So I'll carry on for now, and I'll tune back in later, and before I apply the blackboard, maybe just when I'm finishing the sanding of it and how flat I've got it. Remember, this is all still loose. I've still got bits moving around. That's why I've got the cramps on it, to try and hold it all exactly down to the right level. Occasionally giving it a good tap just to make sure nothing rises up. But yeah, it's going to be an interesting one to see how this turns out. But yeah, I hope you enjoyed the journey with me. I'll speak to you soon. Crafty Cockney over and out.